Hi. I need to bring the sand to a playground. All kids love to mess around in the sand and build something. This will be my assistant's caterpillar excavator and the yellow truck. But first, we must also learn to work on this technique. The excavator has a big secret he knows: how to turn around. To us, it will be very helpful. It moves on caterpillar tracks and moves the bucket well. What a wonderful assistant! This is Tipper. He is very fast. But the most important thing is that he is able to unload the truck. Look at how he is able to do it. You raise the body, and then the sand itself will fall out. Isn't it convenient? And now you can drive on the sand.
Go for demo. Hello. All systems go for demo. Be waiting for ready. Important for do.
Yes!
Hope this isn't a... Go for demo.
Wow!
Be waiting for ready.
Oh!
Waiting for ready.
Wow!
Wait till you see my wheel moves.
What?
Oops. Hope that wasn't your chance. Wrong style. These other trucks got nothing on me. Come on, man. That tickles. I must have got some bad gas. All systems go for demo.
Whoa!
That tickles. I must have got some bad gas. Go for demo. Be waiting for ready. Important for do. broadcast. All systems go for demo. Big wave for ready. Ready here. Watch out. Reporting for duty. How much you got some bad gas? This box is big wave reporting for duty. Stay clear. Time to party. I'm just getting started. Whoa, the room's still spinning. Hello, all systems go for demo. Busy getting busy. Time to boogie. 3, 2, 1. Here comes the rock. I'm just getting started. I'm just getting started. Stay clear of my rear. Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark.